If you're writing in Markdown on a Mac, you've got plenty of editor options, but which one actually makes writing easier? Today we're comparing 4 of the most popular: Macdown, Visual Studio Code, IA Writer, and Typora. Now, Macdown is lightweight, open source, and perfect for basic writing. It's got a live preview side by side with your code and 0 distractions. But it hasn't been updated in a while, and it lacks some modern polish or export flexibility. VS Code isn't just for coding. It's also a powerful Markdown editor, especially with extensions. You get syntax highlighting, live preview, and integrations with Git. But for pure writing, it can feel heavy, cluttered, unless you really tailor the setup. IA Writer focuses on minimalism. The interface is distraction-free, the syntax highlighting is clean, and you can export to multiple formats. It's great for long-form writing and stays out of your way. The downsides? It's paid and not as customizable as the others. And you've got Typora, which blends writing and preview into one clean interface. No split screen, no formatting clutter, it handles tables, diagrams, and export options beautifully. It's a strong all-rounder and very beginner-friendly, though it's only now a paid app. For clean and focused writing, go with IA Writer or Typora. If you want simplicity and free, Macdown is your guy. And if you're already in the coding world, then VS Code might be the most versatile option. That's a quick look at the 4 top Markdown editors for macOS. Pick based on how you write, not just how it looks. And your workflow will thank you.